Alright, this is a video on how to take corn from the garden to the freezer. It's called cream and corn. Okay, first. Okay. Alright, so first you take the corn and you put it in a machine. That brings it to this table. Then you got this guy right here chopping the ends off, just like that. You got this lovely lady, she's pulling all the green stuff off. She's shucking it. Okay, that's what it should look like. Okay, the next step is right here. We got what we got going on. We're cleaning the corn, getting all the little silk off of it. And then, after that's done, it goes into this container. Then, after that, it goes into this. So you're going to boil it for 3 to 5 minutes once it starts boiling. Then, the next step, okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take this corn that's been sterilized. You're not cooking the corn, you're sterilizing it. That's what my daddy just told me. Yeah, I just learned all this too.
3 times.
Okay, so now you're going to take the hot corn out. After it boils for 3 to 5 minutes, you're going to get you a cooler like this one. You're going to put ice in it. But first, before you put that corn there, you got to get the other corn out. So pause it. Okay, so this is some corn that's been in here about 10 minutes. And
always do it sideways.
Okay.
I just can't get it right in there.
So you got to get your corn out of the freezer or out of the ice. It's very, very cold. Your hands will actually burn. It's that cold. Okay. All the corn's out of that. Now the next step is to take the corn that came out of the boiler that was in there 3 to 5 minutes for sterilization purposes. And then you're going to pour it into here. Okay, see what that looks like? Then what you're going to do, you're going to get some more ice. Cover it up. And shut that. And this is the corn that's already been cold. Then you're going to come over here. The next step, you need one of these handy dandy corn whatever you call them.
Creamer.
So then what you're going to do is you're going to take the corn and you do it 4 times. It's good to get your pan like this and get this thing so it rests against it so you're not trying to hold both. You do that once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Same thing happens again. You got to be careful. You can cut yourself on that. I haven't done it yet, but I'm not saying it couldn't happen, so be careful. Okay, and then you do all that. Then the next step, you don't have any left to do?
No.
Okay. Okay. Next step is to take the corn, put it in baggie. What do you do? 2 scoops?
4 scoops. 4 half-cup scoops.
4 half-cup scoops.
Oh, you do not have to get me on the video.
Okay. And you're going to close it up. Try to get the air out. And that one's. Now that's done.
And it goes into the freezer.
Okay,
flat.
then it goes in the freezer flat.
Once it freezes, then you can stack it.
Yeah, you don't stack them on top till after they get frozen.
Sorry.
And that's how it all works. So basically, here's the operation. Comes in, it's cut, shucked, washed, put in that bin, and that bin is put into there, then that turns on. And once the steam starts coming out of that thing, then you wait 3 to 5 minutes. Then you're going to put it in the cooler like this is, and then after that cools down, you'll know it's cold enough when you do it. After you do it, you feel the corn cob. If it's cold, then you know it's been in there long enough. Okay, and then what happens when you do enough corn, you can do a corn angel. See? Corn angel, yay! And then your little ones can swim in the pool while you're doing all the hard